Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot W03 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with an iPhone. First we need to turn on the watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button for a couple of seconds. After the watch turns on, we need to download and install the Glory Fit application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on the search icon right here at the bottom of the screen, then tap on the search bar and type in Glory Fit and tap search. You should see this application on the list, Glory Fit. Tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. Agree to allow the permission to use Bluetooth, so let's tap on OK. And once you're done, you should see the login page. And if you want to keep your data, like fitness data and stuff like that, I recommend to make an account and log in. But you can also skip this step and use the guest account, which I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna tap on skip right here, tap on agree, and tap on skip again. And now we need to set up our profile, so we can select the gender, height, weight, year, step goal. And once you're done with the profile, you will need to, or rather you can allow or deny the permission for the location. Then you can tap on OK, and you should see the home page of the application. Now, tap on the device icon right here at the bottom. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow or deny the permission. I'm just gonna allow it. And then I'm gonna tap on add a new device. Here, tap on select device. And after a second or two, the app should detect your W03. So tap on it. And after a second or two, you will see this pop up. So tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. And once you're done with the permissions, that should be all. Basically, you should see the device page for your W03, and you can basically change the watch face and stuff like that. Also, you can tell that the watch is paired with your phone by this icon right here. When you open the quick panel, you'll see this chain link icon, and you see that there's a link inside of the icon. This means that the watch is paired with a phone. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.